Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. In this video, I am going to provide you few preparations that will help you to come into the Nataraj pose, and you can easily take your practice from beginner level to full Nataraj position. So stay there, we're going to start it right now. Nataraj posture, come into the standing balancing position, and it's really good for your balancing for your proprioceptors. It improves your leg strength and build your leg muscles. So the basic mistake that we do in Nataraj position is, at beginner level, while holding your leg from behind, instead of focusing on lifting your leg up, we focus more on bending our body forward. So we come to this position unconsciously. So instead of that, if you focus on lifting your leg up high and take your body little bit forward just to comfortable your leg and to come into the balance, so you can easily come to Nataraj position. Nataraj position again need flexibility in your shoulders and flexibility in your lower back, and most importantly flexibility in your hamstrings and your quads. So when you are lifting your leg, and if you want to keep it high, you need flexibility in your quads, and again it will stretch hamstring of your other leg. So you need to practice flexibility of your lower body. It's good if you add the split flexibility routine in your practice. That will again improve your Nataraj position. For split flexibility routine, you can click up here or down in the description box. Follow the routine that will again help you to come into the Nataraj position. Next thing that we need to take our practice to the full Nataraj position is opening up of your shoulders. Again, to open up your shoulders, again you can click up here or down in the description box. Follow the stretches of shoulder opening that will again help you in your Nataraj position. Once you are comfortable at beginner level for the Nataraj position, you can take your practice to the full Nataraj position, and for this you need support of the door and support of the belt. So you can take your belt from the door like this. Okay. Hold the belt here. Come little forward. Take your leg behind your body. Keep your toes flat on the door. And now try to take your leg little high on the door. Now pull your belt and take your back close to the door like this. So no need to bend forward and keep bending your back forward. Take your back and now take your elbows over your head and hold this position. Again, you can try with another leg. Touch your leg on the door. Take your leg little bit high while bending your body forward. Now slowly straight your body. Take your body close to the door and your elbows over your head and hold it here. So you again need flexibility in your shoulders and in your lower back, and of course in your hamstring and your legs. So for full Nataraj position, you need flexibility in your hamstrings, in your shoulders, chest opening. So perform all these asanas of chest opening, of your shoulders, of your hamstrings, of your splits, that will help you to come into the full Nataraj position. So while doing full Nataraj position, come to half Nataraj first, and again focus on your leg. Now slowly take your left hand to hold your toe of your lifted leg, and for this step you need intense flexibility of your shoulders. Now draw your right hand out and hold your toe like this with both of your hands and focus on your leg. Do not keep your leg like this. Keep lifting your leg and take it over your head and keep opening your chest and your shoulders. Again, look in front. Slowly release and down. So you see, for all these steps you need flexibility in your hamstrings, and it's good if you follow the routine of splits. You need flexibility of your shoulders, chest area, of your lower back and your back. So follow all these routines. You can check my playlist required for the opening of chest, shoulders and your back. All these flexibilities will help you to take your practice from beginner level to full Nataraj position. Thank you for watching, friends. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga. Share this video to your friends and family. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care and stay fit.